Let's talk about shopping. Every day, we go to stores to buy food, clothes, and other things we need. There are many kinds of stores. A supermarket sells food. A convenience store is small and open all day. At the store, you often pick up a basket at the entrance. You carry it and put things inside as you walk and shop. Before you buy something, you look at the price. The price tells you how much you need to pay. Some things are cheap, and some things are expensive. Before you buy, it is good to check the price. Sometimes a store has a sale. Prices are lower than usual. Many people like to shop during a sale. When you have everything you want, you go to the checkout. The checkout is usually at the front of the store. You pay for your things at the checkout. The cashier scans each item and shows you the total price. You can pay with cash. Cash is coins and paper bills. Most stores in Japan accept cash. You can also pay with a card. Many people in Japan use a card or a smartphone to pay. If you pay with cash, you may get change. Change is the money the cashier gives back to you. After you pay, the cashier gives you a receipt. The receipt shows every item you bought and the total price. You put your things in a bag and carry them home. In Japan, many people bring their own bag to the store. Shopping is a part of everyday life. Every trip to the store is a little different.